Yeah. Anything with a video can work. I don't think so. This will work. Just fine. Ooh. This will work just fine. I make videos out of shitty things. Ooh, flowers. I make videos out of anything. I don't give a damn. I think I gotta redo this. Crop it. Edit it. What? Yeah, let's go harder shit. I'm making a video. Damn. I wonder if I put it up here. It probably won't work. Because that would block the and destroy it. I don't think so. Yeah. Yeah. I don't give a damn. I'm making video. Not because I care or not. I'm making video. Oh my god, I got everything down. Oh shit. Oh my. I'll go over here. I like it. I like it. Hey, what's up? Oh yeah. I'm not going to. I don't care if it's off or on. I don't give a damn. It's an H3. It's cool. Dang, I didn't know it was that big. That's crazy shit. Shit. Oh my god. It's old and rotted. Shit. So Madison siren replacement. I'm just sitting out here. That thing is huge. What the fuck that damn thing is? This big, man. Oh shit. Yeah, thing is humongous. It's like the size of an air vent. Thing's humongous, dude. I'm making money. This YouTube video. I film anything I want. This thing is just that. I'm gonna probably sit down and do this. It's comfortable. Ooh, that's a perfect angle. Hang, that thing's old. I wish I could mount this somewhere, like, on an angle. I film anything I want to. I'm being here all day. Stand up too. I'll stand up too. I think I like the standing up. Let's see what it looks like. Standing up or sitting down? I don't know. Hey, it looks weird without it. It does kind of look weird. Hurry up, come on, hurry up. Replace that touch button. Replace the new one. Hey, make money. And I gotta crop it. Then I'm getting. Oh.